Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Khaliza Rahmania Hatta. We are present our paper entitled The Application of a Persian Formula in Education Game Landmark Nusantara. Me and my friend from Muhammad University. Indonesia is one of the largest archipelago countries, which consists of five minor islands such as Sumatra, Java, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Papua, and dozens of other small islands. Therefore, Indonesia is also called Nusantara. Indonesia itself is a country that with its historical place, culture, and travel. Almost every region in Indonesia has a landmark that illustrates the characteristics of its region. Landmark itself is anything that makes it easier to be recognized, remembered, and admired, that can be in the form of nature, building, monument, and other structure. Indonesia consists of various areas to make Indonesia rich in landmark that depict typical of each region. Landmark owned by each region, making the regions has tremendous potential in the form of lore and attraction. Nevertheless, the extraordinary potential of this must be supported by a nice introduction. A good introduction can be done through various media. One with a medium educational game. Game is generally interpreted as a play activity undertaken by one or more persons where they are the end result intended by the player and has rules that determine the limit of the action taken by the player. Yet it can also be an educational application, and it can be used as a medium of learning in which the process can be done with the concept of learning while playing. Educational game is an alternative media to introduce the landmark region in Indonesia to the public, one of them with the help of Google Maps. A method to determine the distance between the 2 points to take into account that the Earth is not a flat plane, but is a field that has a degree of curvature which is the Jefferson formula. Based on the description that has been present, an educational game titled Landmark Nusantara developed, where the game will give the knowledge to user about the landmark of region in Indonesia in geographic information system, based with use help of Google Maps and using the Persian map formula that can be used to calculate the shortest distance in a straight line between 2 points. Haversian formula is to calculate the distance between 2 points on the Earth's surface using latitude and longitude in input variables. Haversian formula is an important equation in navigation, giving Greek circle a distance between 2 points on the surface of a sphere on Earth by longitude and latitude. Use of this formula shows ignoring the effect of ellipsoidal accurate enough for most calculations. Also, ignoring altitude hills and deep values on the surface of the Earth. Formula can be seen in fig, and this is in the screen. Uh, for result and discussion, the application of a custom formula method on the system is used to calculate the distance of the player answer point with the landmark answer point. By the time the player accesses the landmark Nusantara game page, then the player can see some part into the line point part. Answering time part question to obtain additional point question part. Part of the map is the part that becomes the input response from players, and pin marker is used as the player input answer, which can be seen in fig. Player can enter as well using marker pins to area where the field is right. After the player answers the question, the system will automatically calculate the distance between point and player answer with landmark marker pin point answer of the question in the system using Haversian formula method. If the player answer is distance of not more than or equal to 15 kilometers, the answer to the player are deemed correct, and the system will automatically pop up displaying information to the player that the player answered correctly and provide additional information or knowledge about the landmark that become the question, as can be seen in the figure. If the player answer distance is over 15 kilometers, then the player answer is considered to be incorrectly, and the system will automatically pop up in the info to the player that the answer is incorrect by showing how far the incorrect point of player that has been calculated using the Haversian formula method. And the system will still provide the info, indication, or knowledge about landmark that become the question, as can be seen in fig. When the player gets the wrong answer on the map where the inputs answer to the game will also feature a point marker landmark area where the correct answer is, and then the point marker will draw a straight line to the point answer. The player who are used to illustrate the distance equal to length in a straight line, as can be seen in fig. The testing phase implementation of Haversian formula method need to evaluate the result of calculation performed by the system with the result that is done manually in order to minimize error in the system. At this step, the player who answer question who using marker pin on the map as a point coordinate are read by the system. The cardinal point of the player answer marker pin that are read by the system and then calculate the distance to the landmark point coordinate. The system automatically calculates the distance between the point using a precision method formula method can be seen in fig. Then, the calculation performed by the system we test also by manual calculation using the Excel version formula method, in which the manual testing is done using Excel and to be able to see the calculation formula by the system whether in accordance with calculation done by hand using Excel assistant. Manual calculation on Excel can be seen in Fig. Based on the result test on the system, it was concluded that the application of the version formula method on system already in accordance with manual calculation have the same result. Based on the and for conclusion, based on the result, it has built an education game called Landmark Nusantara that can give information knowledge and information and history of the landmark in the area of Indonesia. When the game is based geographic information system using the help of Google Maps, and the game is supported also by the Haversian formula method, which is used to calculate the shortest distance is a straight line between 2 points. That's all from our paper. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.